Hi, this is Dr. O'Reilly from Integrative Dentistry in the kitchen of my townhome to show you how to make bacteria-rich products with specific strains of bacteria to restore gut health, oral health, and overall health as well. And yogurt is a great product for specific strains of bacteria that we use to do this. Over time, of course, due to modern living, our gut health, our microbiome has been damaged and depleted. So this is a way to restore the microbiome in your gut, restore your gut health, and also your oral health at the same time. And I'll explain more about these later, what these are, the specific strains. I have some goat's milk, raw organic goat's milk that I get from a farm here locally in San Diego, half and half organic, half and half from Jimbo's, my Instant Pot that I use, one of the incubators for the yogurt. So I'm going to be showing you what I do to make these yogurts, bacteria-rich and healthy yogurts, in future videos. So watch for more videos. If you're interested, you can comment below. I'll respond or subscribe to this channel and play with us as we go along. All right, looking forward to it. Thank you. Bye for now.